Can metaphysical principles explain human consciousness? Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? The question of whether metaphysical principles can explain human consciousness is a fascinating one. Human consciousness is a complex phenomenon that involves being aware of ourselves and our surroundings. It includes our subjective experiences and the ability to reflect it on our thoughts. Metaphysical principles try to explain consciousness by looking beyond just physical or biological processes. They focus on the fundamental nature of reality, the mind, and existence itself. At a basic level, metaphysical views often see consciousness as a type of knowing or awareness that goes beyond just brain activity. Some frameworks suggest that consciousness involves recognizing our own existence and how we relate to the world around us. In this view, our environment is shaped by the ideas we hold in our minds. This perspective breaks consciousness into layers. There is the subconscious mind, which stores our past experiences and manages automatic bodily functions. Then there is the conscious mind, which is responsible for active thinking and perception. Finally, there is the superconscious or spiritual consciousness, which connects us to a higher universal mind or truth. This layered model indicates that consciousness is not just a result of physical brain processes, but also involves deeper, non-material dimensions of awareness. When we consider dreams, consciousness appears as a fluid stream of mental experiences. Our minds continuously interpret both external and internal realities. Dreams highlight this dynamic aspect, showing how consciousness can manifest in altered states. They blend memory, imagination, and symbolic meaning. In this sense, dreams are not random but meaningful expressions of our minds interacting with metaphysical realities. They can provide a glimpse into the nature of consciousness beyond our waking life. Philosophical challenges, like the mind-body problem, show how difficult it is to fully explain consciousness through physicalism alone. Some metaphysical theories argue that consciousness cannot be reduced to brain states or physical processes. This is because it involves a first-person subjective reality that does not easily fit into objective measurements. These theories consider how consciousness might be a fundamental aspect of reality or connected to a universal mind, sometimes referred to as a superconscious or spiritual dimension. Understanding consciousness through metaphysical principles can have practical implications. It can influence our approaches to mental health, spirituality, and personal growth. For example, recognizing the role of subconscious patterns and spiritual consciousness can guide practices like meditation, dream analysis, and mindfulness. These practices help individuals align their inner experiences with broader existential truths. In essence, metaphysical principles provide a framework that views human consciousness as more than just brain activity. It encompasses layers of awareness, including subconscious processes and spiritual dimensions. From the perspective of dreams, consciousness is a continuous flow of mental phenomena that connects us to deeper realities. This suggests that metaphysical explanations can complement scientific and philosophical approaches to understanding consciousness.